Hey there, it's Daryl Jackson, and today I'm going to show you how to nail that awesome dance break from Dangerous. Now before we get into it, this dance is all about balance, so stretch those legs real good. First up, the footwork. Tap your right toe twice to the side, then give it a tap back on the third count. Got it? 2 to the side, 1 back. Now here comes the balancing act. Kick your right foot out to the side, then quickly lift and fold your knee, keeping those toes pointed down. Let's add in those arm movements. Remember the first step of the footwork? We're going to combine it with this. Here's what you do. Hold onto your chest with your right elbow pointing up and your left elbow pointing down. Think of it like you're hugging yourself, but with style. After the kick, you need to switch your elbow's position just when you tuck your right knee in. After that, bring the elbows back to its original position. Tilt your head to the left as if you are cracking your neck. Bring down your foot to the left and make a grabbing move with your left arm. Then, to top it all off, finish with a smooth counterclockwise spin. And here's how it should look when you put all the moves together in one seamless flow. And there you have it. If you've made it this far into the video, why not show some love by giving it a thumbs up, dropping a comment, and hitting that share and follow button for more awesome tutorials. Once again, I'm Daryl Jackson. Thank you very much.